Welcome guys. Today we do a very interesting problem. Here we have solve for x, that is we find the value of x, and the condition is that without expanding we can't multiply these factors to form a biquadratic. Okay, so how we solve it? So there is a trick behind it. So let's solve it. So the basic trick is that here we see here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically these numbers must be in AP. In other words, we can say that if I add this 1 and this 4, we get is equal to 5, and here we get 2 and 3, we again get 5. Okay, so we take the average, mean of these all these numbers, and it comes out to be 5 by 2. Okay, we just take this same number 5 and divide it by 2 because we have the two factors like that. Okay, so here we do a substitution. Y is equal to x plus 5 by 2. From this we can find the value of x, which is equal to y minus 5 by 2, and this is important. Now we find the value of x plus 1. So here is x plus 1 comes out to be y minus 5 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to, now minus 5 by 2 plus 1 comes out to be minus of 3 by 2. Now we see a magic here, x plus 1, and now we calculate the value of x plus 4. So we add here 4 and we get y plus 3 by 2. So this is the benefit of using this type of substitution. We get here minus and this plus. Now again we find the value of x plus 2, which is equal to y minus 5 by 2 plus 2, and we get y minus 1 by 2. And now we find x plus 3. So we add here 3 and we get y plus 1 by 2. So our equation reduces to y minus 3 by 2. Here is x plus 2, which is equal to y minus 1 by 2. Here y plus 1 by 2, and here we get y plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 120. Okay, now we combine these two terms and these two terms. So here we get a minus b and a plus b. It turns to be y square minus 9 by 4 is first factor, and here we get y square minus 1 by 4 second factor. It comes out to be 1. So again we use the mean method. Here we have the number minus 9 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. We find mean of both the numbers, which is equal to minus 10 by 4 whole divided by 2, which comes to be minus of 5 by 4. So we do a substitution here, which is equal to t is equal to y square minus 5 by 4, and from this we find the value of y square, which comes to be t plus 5 by 4. Okay, now we need the value of y square minus 9 by 4. So it comes to be minus of 9 by 4. We get minus 4 by 4, which is equal to t minus 1, and we need y square minus 1 by 4. So for this we have minus 1 by 4, which is equal to t plus 4 by 4, which is equal to t plus 1. So we see clearly there is minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, so that our new equation reduces to, in terms of t, it is t minus 1 and t plus 1, which is equal to 120. Here is a minus b and a plus b, which comes to be t square minus 1 is equal to 120, and from this we get t square is equal to 121, and we get the value of t is equal to plus minus square root of 121, and t comes to be plus minus 11. So here we find the value of t, but we need the value of x. Okay, so we use our substitutions. So we got the value of t is equal to plus minus 11. So we put 1 by 1 here, t is equal to 11, and get y square is equal to 11 plus 5 by 4, which comes to be 44 plus 5 divided by 4. So y square comes to be 49 by 4, and from it we get the value of y is equal to plus minus square root of 49 by 4, and comes to be plus minus 7 by 2. So here we get the two values of y here, and now we put the value of t is equal to minus 11. We get y square is equal to minus 11 plus 5 by 4. So clearly this is a negative number, that is minus 44 plus 5 divided by 4, and y square comes to be minus of 39 by 4, and this gives us no solution. Okay, so here we get the two values of y. So firstly we put y is equal to 7 by 2, and got the value of x. So it comes to be 2 by 2, which is equal to 1, and now we put minus 7 by 2. So minus of 7 by 2 minus of 5 by 2, it comes to be minus of 12 by 2, which comes to be minus 6. So here we get the two values of x, that is x is equal to minus 6 and 1, and now we verify these two values by putting in our equation. We have the two values of x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 6. Let's check our answers. Put x is equal to 1, we get 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, and 1 plus 4. We get 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3 to the 6 multiply by 20, which comes out to be 120. So this is correct. Put x is equal to minus 6 plus 1, minus x plus 2, minus x plus 3, and minus x plus 4. Here we get minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, and minus 2. We get here 20 into 6, again 120. So these both are our solutions. Okay. So if you need more interesting concepts, please subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in our next video.